Hello guys, I'm Paris Jobson guy and welcome back to my channel. So a very, like contradicting day in the market with Nifty opening with a gap up and then continuously moving down, whereas Bank Nifty opening with a gap up and then, trying to steadily move up throughout the day. But anyways, I'm ending the day with the highest profits ever, with 3% returns on my total capital. I think it was close to 2.8%, but it doesn't matter. Ending with the highest profits ever of 1592 rupees. And what I did was I just continuously moved up my puts in Bank Nifty throughout the day, slowly and steadily. I did not hurry anyways, because I was anyways in a very good profit. So I was like, let's take it a little bit slow. Let's like retain our profits. And yeah, ending with the highest profits ever. I'm happy that our analysis went great. But what can we expect for tomorrow? See, the thing is that now I think what can happen is that markets may take a sort of a breather. There may be a little bit of pullback or some sort of consolidation, but I'm not expecting like a very big up move again on the upside. So what could happen tomorrow is that we may see some sort of a down move in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what you guys can do is that, say we open flat somewhere, you say 17 7 year 17 650 650 640 levels. As soon as we cross 17 630, what you guys can do is you guys can initially trade till 17,560 or 560 or 570 levels on the downside. If you open with a gap down, do not trade, because I think Nifty will definitely take some sort of support over here. So we'll need to see what kind of price action is made, and then we can decide our trade. On the upside, as soon as we cross 17,680, you guys can initiate trade till 17,732. However, be cautious because of this trend line. What could happen is that we may take some sort of a resistance over here and then go down again. So if you want to take a trade, you guys can take a trade as soon as we cross 17,670 levels, 670, 680 levels, till 17,720. But I would not recommend you guys to take a trade on the upside, because again we have this trend line on the upside which may act as a big resistance and your stop loss might get hit. Yeah, so that's for Nifty. But say we open with a very big gap up, somewhere above 17,000, not a very big, but with a big gap up somewhere above 17,720. As soon as we cross 17,720, 730 levels, then you guys can initiate trade till 17,780, 790 levels. That is something that you guys can do if you open with a gap up only then. If we don't open with a very considerable gap up, then I don't think you guys should take a trade on the upside for tomorrow. That was for Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty, again, Bank Nifty was more bullish than Nifty throughout the day, which I was expecting, to be very honest. So again, same with Bank Nifty. If we open with a gap up, do not take a trade, because we have 39,000 on the upside. So there might be a good pullback from 39,000, or a good, like a what do you see, a good resistance from 39,000 that can be taken, and then we might again start moving down, so stop loss might get it. So if we open with a gap up, do not trade. Say we open flat and we start moving down, so as soon as we cross 38,780, you guys can initiate a trade till 38,650, 660 levels. It's going to be a very easy trade, because I'm expecting a very good down move, momentum on the downside rather than the upside. Once we cross 38,650, I'm expecting Bank Nifty to take support over here and just consolidate throughout the day. But say we cross 38,640, once we get a 15-minute close below 38,640, then you guys can initiate a trade easily till 38,000. 520, 530 on the downside. And yeah, guys, that was it. I had a very great expiry. I hope you guys also had a very great expiry. And yeah, if you guys are still confused on how to take trades, what trade you can take in real, like when the market is open, what you guys can do is you guys can join my Telegram channel. There I post all of my trades. So yeah, you guys can get an idea of how you can trade in the markets. And yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching till the end.